Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger, and if you need to find the fuse for the wiper motor, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, why it's very important to test fuses, how to test fuses, and if your wipers do not work after replacing the fuse, we'll explain what else you need to look for. Now, all that will be covered, guys, in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. If you have a dot charger, we'll be making even more. We'll be taking it completely apart, we'll be taking that engine apart, transmissions, anything practically, and we'll even have the 5.7 engine coming as well. Now, why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, replacement parts, relays for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can, guys, save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. Specifically, we have a 2018 dot charger here with a 3.6 engine. This is the fuse box that we have here as a main fuse box. How do you remove it? You have one tap here, one there, you squish towards each other, you pull out, put it that way, and the fuse, guys, numbers here will correspond to what we have specifically here. The fuse that we will need to check for the wiper motor, guys, before we get to it, let me tell you one thing. It's very important to test fuses. If you don't test them, if you assume it's good or bad, okay, that can cost you quite a bit of money and time, guys. Always test them, because sometimes it's really hard to find out if they're good or bad, and we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test the fuse really easy. The fuse that you will need to check will be known as F20, or that will be the third fuse from left to right. 1, 2, 3, that fuse right here in the second row from left to right. That's a 30 fuse, you need to check it. If your wipers still do not work, we have a special video on our channel that explains why windshield wipers do not work on dot charger. It's going to teach you how to diagnose the problem, what to look for, and all that will be covered in the video, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.